Hey guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so grateful and I'm so glad that you're here. Guys, long time no sit down videos. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I shave my face. Now guys, I have seen a couple of these videos here on YouTube, and most recently I saw a video of Dhamma showing us how she shaves her face, and I was like, I need to come on here and try out this procedure. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. So guys, the reason for this video is because recently I've been noticing, like, when I want to do my makeup and I apply my foundation, I still see hair peeking through like the foundation, and then I just said to myself that okay, I need to try out this procedure. Now guys, this procedure is also called dermaplaning. It is defined as a procedure that exfoliates your skin and gets rid of dirt and vellus hair, better known as pitchforks. So guys, the items that you'll be needing for this procedure is this Tinkle eyebrow razor. That's what you'll be needing. Guys, don't use your regular razor blade. I think that is going to hurt you, so don't use that. Use this. You have to make sure that your face is hydrated. So I'm just going to be using my Neutrogena sunscreen. Most people use like their toners and serum. I don't have that, so I'm going to be using my sunscreen. And I've washed my face already, so you're supposed to wash your face first. I've washed my face. Then I'm just going to apply this all over my face. So next, I'm going to take out one of this. I think I'll use the green. Okay, so I'll take this out. And I'm going to be, using my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So you go this way.
Hey, Carmen. It's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I missed you. Call me back.
Can you guys see? I have so much hair on my face. Okay, so you go this way. Guys, look at all that hair. I don't know if you guys can see it. So guys, this is how much hair I've removed so far.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
Guys, you need to be careful if you have like a bit of acne on your face, so that you don't enjoy yourself. So, because I have a bit of acne on my face, I'm really trying to be careful. Guys, before now I used to use like tweezers to pick out hair from from this area, but I think this works better than doing that.
Hey, Carmen, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I missed you. Call me back.
Guys, look at all that hair. Look at all that hair. Who would have thought that we had so much hair on our face? All the hair that we removed so far. Okay.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time. Call me back.
So guys, I'm done, shaving my face. So next thing, I'm going to go over it with a face wipe, a fresh wipe. Then I'll apply my moisturizer. So for moisturizer, I'm using this one by a Nigerian brand. I use this mostly when I use my makeup. That's why it has like a lot of makeup stains on it. So it's the Omaricos and Brega Hydrate Moisturizer. So I'm just going to use that to moisturize my face. Let's see. So I just need little goes a long way.
Hey, Carmen, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I missed you. Call me back.
Guys, my face feels so smooth. I love it so much. It feels so smooth. Oh my god, my face has never felt this way. Feels really smooth. Okay. So guys, what are the advantages of shaving your face / dermaplaning? Skincare products tend to penetrate better when you do this. Like right now, this moisturizer that I'm applying on my face, I'm sure like it's entering into my skin. It's penetrating way better than it would have done with all that hair all over my face. And makeup applies smoother. You know, like when I started this video, I talked about how after applying my foundation, I still see hair peeking through my face, like after foundation application. So with this process, my foundation would look, you know, they will look better now. Like even when I take a close view picture, it looks better now. And also it helps with exfoliation and healthier skin. And guys, it gives your face an instant glow. Can you see the glow on my face? Oh god, I even need to look at it for myself. My god, guys, see the glow. See the glow. I love it. Love it so much. So the don'ts of shaving your face, like do not use a razor blade for this procedure. The only type that you can use is this Tinkle eyebrow razor blade that I use. This is the type I would recommend that you use. Do not use the regular razor blade, that Tiger or is it Nasset. Don't use those ones. Also, if you have active breakouts, like if you have pimples all over your face, do not do this procedure. Don't do it. So guys, lastly, if you know that you're going to have makeup on that day, you're going to go out, like you're going to have makeup on and you hang out, I would advise you not to, you know, do the procedure that day. Then yeah, that's it. So we've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share to your family, your friends, everybody that you know would need this video. Share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.